In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HyperX Cloud 3 to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your Cloud 3 headset in conjunction with any Xbox console. Now, you have to be aware of which Cloud 3 headset model you have. There are two models. The first one is going to be the wireless, and the second one is a wired version. If you have the wireless model, then sadly, this one is not going to be compatible. As you can see, it is only compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch, so this wireless dongle cannot be connected to an Xbox console. Sadly, as it stands today, only specific Microsoft-approved wireless headsets can be used with Xbox consoles, and the Cloud 3 is not included on that list, so you are not able to use the wireless Cloud 3 model. However, if you have the wired one, then you will be able to connect it without any problems. As you can see, you will have to connect it over 3.5mm connection, so USB is out of the question. All that you have to do is use this provided adapter here and plug it into your controller. So there will be a 3.5mm cable here, and you can plug it directly into the console. So disregard what I said about this adapter. But regardless, all that you have to do is plug it into the port available usually on your controller. You can try connecting it over USB-C with the adapter, but like I mentioned before, it isn't officially regarded as supported. So I would suggest just using the 3.5mm connection through the headphone jack on your controller. And once this is done, you can go over to the audio output settings and the headset will appear. So you can select your Cloud 3 and all of the audio being output on the console will be output on the Cloud 3 headset instead. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us bring you the higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.